In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide activity updates on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to keep your career changes under wraps or want to show the world your latest achievements, managing your activity visibility can be crucial for your professional presence on this platform. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're in control of who sees your activity feed. First things first, let's head over to LinkedIn. You'll want to ensure you're logged in, so start by clicking on the Sign In button if you're not already logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the LinkedIn homepage where all the magic begins. This is your central hub for managing your profile and privacy settings. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to focus on your profile. Go ahead and click on your profile picture or your name in the top navigation bar to be directed to your personal profile page. This is where you'll have access to all the settings that affect how others view your profile. Now, find the Settings and Privacy option. This will likely be in a drop-down menu linked to your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy, and you'll enter the area where you control your privacy and visibility settings. In the privacy settings, look for the visibility section. Click on this, and you'll see various options related to how your profile and activity appear on LinkedIn. From here, select Visibility of your profile and network. This is where you'll find the controls for who can see your activity updates. Next, you want to focus on Edit your public profile. By clicking on this, you'll enter another set of options that allow you to manage what information is visible on your public profile. This feature is particularly useful if you want to manage who can see your LinkedIn activity when someone isn't directly connected with you. From this screen, locate the Articles and Activity section. Click on this option and you'll get a simple checkbox representing whether your activity and articles are visible or hidden. To hide them, simply uncheck this box. Doing so will prevent these updates from appearing in your connections feeds, effectively giving you privacy over what you share. And that's it. Your LinkedIn activity updates are now set according to your preferences. Remember, you can toggle this setting anytime if you wish to make changes. Keeping an eye on your LinkedIn visibility is important for controlling your professional narrative and ensuring you're sharing information appropriately with your network. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these steps make it easier for you to manage your LinkedIn presence.